Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another Christmas one. I've got another Christmas top on. It's a little reindeer. And today I'm going to be showing you my favourite lipsticks to wear around Christmas time. So the lipsticks that I'm going to be sharing with you are very Christmassy lipsticks, but also just ones that I love to wear around Christmas time that are really festive or really nice to wear around Christmas. So I'm going to be doing swatches, and then I'm just going to talk you through them a little bit as well. They're also mainly drugstore. There are two in here that aren't drugstore, but the rest of them are drugstore. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first one is one that I'm wearing. It's the Revlon Lacquer Balm in the shade 135 Provocateur. I actually have this Christmas makeup on. It's from the tutorial I did last week, so I'll link it down below if you want to see it. And yeah, this is just really festive. It's pinky but red, and you know, it's really comfortable. It's not matte, so it just feels like a lipstick, really comfortable and soft on your lips. And it's like a crayon, so you can get really precise as well around the corners of your lips. You don't really need like a lip liner, so it's really good. So, and it's drugstore as well. Okay, so the next one is L'Oreal Riche Shine Lip Gloss lipstick thing, and it's in the shade 109 Pursue Pretty. This is really affordable. It's from L'Oreal, it's from the drugstore. This is like a glossy lipstick and it's really comfortable to wear, but obviously it's not going to last throughout the day. So maybe just wear this for a couple of hours on Christmas Day and then put something else on, because this is not going to last. If you're eating Christmas dinner, this will be gone by the end of it. But it's such a nice colour, it's so comfortable to wear, and it smells amazing. So that's definitely another option. Next up we have the NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. Okay, that is such bad application. Obviously, if you're wearing this, you'd need to put on a lip liner. I'm just doing a really bad, quick, messy application. It looks dreadful. But if you want a more long-lasting lipstick, this is matte, and this would definitely last a lot longer throughout the day. And it's comfortable to wear as well, and it's really affordable. But just don't apply it like I just did, because it looks awful. You need a lip liner. Next up, we have the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Apple Crisp. Yeah, this is obviously a really intense gloss. Whatever you touch with this, it's going to transfer onto. It usually goes onto my teeth a little bit as well, but if you just put your finger through your mouth like that, that goes away. And you could also apply like a lip coat on top of this to make it last all day, to make it last a bit longer. But yeah, I just think this looks so festive, so sparkly, so intense. And with the lip liner underneath, it'll be perfect. So this is definitely another affordable option for Christmas. I love it. Next up, we have a bit of a lighter type of product. So this is the e.l.f. Tinted Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Red Kiss. So obviously you can tell why I love this colour. It looks kind of like a glossy lip balm. It has a red tint to it, but it's very subtle. Perfect for Christmas. This is nice and moisturising. If you don't like reds at Christmas, this is the one for you, because it's such a pretty colour and it's so comfortable to wear, so affordable, but it still looks Christmassy, especially if you pair it with like a festive eye look, like glitters and golds. It still looks super festive, so this is another great option. Next up we have more of a high-end option. So this isn't drugstore. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary Lip Gloss in the shade Disco Rose. So this is a little bit deeper than the last one, but it's still a really nude and neutral gloss. It's red, but it's not intense, so it's really, really wearable. Perfect for Christmas Day. I bought this in a set, but I'm probably sure you can buy it individually, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just really nice, really good for Christmas, and so comfortable, and it looks just really pretty. Next up is like a lip balm. So this is the Sephora, it's obviously high-end, Sephora Goji Lip Balm. Only a really subtle colour to this, but I'll tell you why I love this. This was bought to me by a friend, so I don't know how much it was, but it's high-end because it's from Sephora. But it is my favourite lip balm because it has a little bit of colour to it. So in the winter time, when you're outside, if you want a little bit of something on your lips, but you don't want anything matte and drying because the weather's so cold, you want something moisturising for your lips, this is perfect. It has lots of different colours. This colour is very Christmassy. It's got a red tint to it. This is perfect for wearing on Christmas Day. It's so comfortable, but it's so subtle, but it still moisturises your lips and it gives you that bit of Christmassy vibe to it because it's red. And you can wear this out and it's just so natural. If you want to glam up your eyes to work with this, it's perfect. I just love this so much. Okay, all the next products that I have are from Colourpop. So first up we have the Blotted Lip by Colourpop in the shade Bee's Knees. So this is a blotted lip, so you can build this up or tone it down to the intensity that you want. So this is like a pinky red colour, lovely for Christmas time, really comfortable. It's not matte, it's matte, but it still has like a comfortable feel to it. And yeah, like you can choose the intensity, like the colour, you can choose how dark or how light you want it. And really affordable, so that's definitely an option for Christmas. Next up we have an ultra blotted lip, and this is in the shade Double Scoop. So this is a very natural red colour. It's kind of like your lips but a little bit better. It's definitely red and this dries down completely matte, like you can't even feel it on your lips once it's dried down. So affordable, and I just think this is lovely for Christmas because it's not too intense and it's a nice shade of red. It's like a corally red almost. So that's another great option, really affordable. Next up I have an ultra glossy lip from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Champagne Mami. So this is just a really natural, sparkly gloss. It has like gold glitter throughout it. It's really comfortable to wear. I love these glosses. Obviously they don't last too long on the lips, but I love them so much, and this is one of my favourites. It's a very pale red, like it just gives your lip that tiny bit of colour, but still it's so nice to wear. Like this would be a lovely like makeup to wear on Christmas Day. It's really nice, I love it. The final one I wanted to show you is more of a nude one. So this is by Colourpop and it's called Oh Snap. It's their Lippie Stix. It's just a pure nude, which is so wearable. So say you had like bold red or green or glittery eyes and you just wanted to tone down your lip with a nude, this is perfect, super affordable. It's like a glossy kind of feel, so it's still super Christmassy. I love it. So that's definitely another one of my favourites. So yeah, that completes this video. Those were my favourite lipsticks to wear around Christmas time. Those were my recommendations. So I hope that you liked it. I hope you had some ideas for some lipsticks to buy now around Christmas time. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And leave a comment down below of what your favourite lipstick is to wear at Christmas time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas!